damn poor people, and them not give a damn about poor people.
Every time I hear Infinite rap, it make me feel like a rap. Who want to spit something? I want that one job ready for me. Ready. Yeah, I hit you with the quickness. I tell them naturalist, the mystic. My spit statistic, specific with lyrical fitness. We could be sophistic up in the street or district, or we could grab the mic and sacrifice my listeners. My appetite for mics is like kids for Christmas. Got dudes putting getting their wristlet on top of their wish list. Thick like prune juice, got a couple screws loose. Lyrical voodoo, spitting literal doo-doo, the pyramid. Some say I was built by Fufu, a lyrical shop of Zulu from Honolulu. I'm ripping through your speakers like Mr. Heath Stevens.
Before you merge, first just be an individual. Don't put your soul for sale because they'll buy it. Don't be on the scale like those hands that don't fight. Who tries the nomination? Line up. Take loads of shutters. Just for head that they try to gun butters. They think how easy I got a trip of kilos. Tribal people in the pines or in the meadows. It hurts me easy to see our people sell out. The journey to reality where they sell out.
Them way you brighter, liner. Tell me I'm my own designer, liner. Who that still a see I forever? You know them ya kinda. One less, I am sniper. Deep in a meditation, we take a diver. Sleep no going harder than Transvest Strider. If you burn Babylon, burn again. Man a real warrior today, warrior tomorrow same way. Man a real warrior today, tomorrow we not go stray. Man a real warrior today, warrior tomorrow same way. Man a real warrior today, I'm in the that version of Rabira, find the direction, them a steer ya. The truth we after, and we can't falter, take a bath. Hold them harder, play the pastor. See them confess, slaughter the youth, and alter the truth. Encapture the spirit and enrapture recruit. When actually you determine the action, the move, definition of a warrior. History and carry up the youth. History and the brothers, them a flow. They got the thing and the before the time, we did nothing on your farm, Man a real warrior today, warrior tomorrow same way. Man a real warrior today, tomorrow we not go stray. Man a real warrior today, warrior tomorrow same way. Man a real warrior today, tomorrow we not go stray. In these last days, in Babylon I have the pathways, treading the valleys and the pathways. Sister them and dance it, but people like them want to gamble like a heart rate. Heart racing when my start lace up my boots. With no fear, just a cold steer. No scissors, no home here, no share. No sleep at times, hungry belly till we weak at times. Some people get a peace of mind, but this peace of mind is very relative. They want to take a peace of mind and say we relative. When we combine them, see how dread it is. But in our enemies, energies. Man a real warrior today, warrior tomorrow same way. Man a real warrior today, tomorrow we not go stray. Man a real warrior today, warrior tomorrow same way. Man a real warrior today, tomorrow we not go stray. So make the Kingston. I'm in the Kingston. Free up your mind, I'm in the Kingston. Just be wise, fuck me. I'm in the Kingston. Yeah, so in the city, I go flip-flop, blow your bed. Government fingers and tic-tac-toes in it. I wanna working on the X's and O's. I'm living eye and eye like a Mr. Commodity. No surprise when they're sending posts to me. Opposite are when plain clothes approaching me. Follow the rules is what they propose to me. Selling the souls for leveling. Nothing is old, nothing is funny, and everybody have them views now. The media is owned, so know where you get your news from. And the blood upon them shoes now. When them walk in the train, they them have it said, man a real warrior today, warrior tomorrow same way. Yeah, man a real warrior today, tomorrow we not go stray. Yeah, man a real warrior today, warrior tomorrow same way. Man a real warrior today, tomorrow we not go stray. I will say, blessed long, Kabaka Pyramid life. How you feeling? How you feeling? Can't say, you never get the blessed up, you know what I mean? Artists like Proto say, that you have enough strength to give me. I not stop talking. You see me? When I drop the EP, I you put it out there for me. I'm a team. You know what I mean? Give the thing a strength, and that's how the thing reach and also. Proto, we see you forward, come do it, you know. But when you drop your album, we still keep the thing over. What the place the name? Jamaica Vibes place there. Ah, yes, yes. You know what I mean? And we come to the thing full strength, full forward, you know. So we give thanks for that energy there. So, real music the people want and need, Bob. Nice. You know? Alright. Yeah, man. Hallelujah, start on no reprisal. With the lucha, it water down a pardon on six. While they in a big garden shop, this is not a marijuana. And they don't want you to know marijuana.